Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken mandi recipe. Before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like what I do here, and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Here are all the exact measurements for all these ingredients. Firstly, you're gonna dry roast all the whole spices. Then you're gonna leave it for a few minutes to cool down. Blend together, then keep the spice powder into a bowl. Add turmeric powder, salt, ginger and garlic powder, and mix it well. If you don't have ginger and garlic powder, a great substitute for that would be ginger and garlic paste. Marinate the chicken pieces with the dry spice powder. If you want more flavor, better to keep overnight, otherwise around 2 to 3 hours would do the job. Then steam the chicken for around half an hour. Add olive oil or any type of oil on the chicken. Add the oil, onion, whole spices, raisins, and tomato, and sort it well. While you're doing that, roast the chicken on a low flame. Add the rice and mix it well to combine all together. Now add the chicken stocks. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Check the taste, and if you want more salt, add as needed. After that, keep a cup inside the rice pot. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in the cup. Assemble the chicken and cover the pot with foil. And remember to cook on a low flame. While it's cooking, heat the charcoal. Then remove the foil and add the charcoal into the cup. Then immediately cover the pot with the foil. For the tomato paste, blend the pieces of tomatoes with green chili, garlic, and salt. Serve the rice with the tomato mix and enjoy.